everyone, Jaime Williams with your next episode of Living in 765 Hallmark Home Mortgage, your mortgage partner. And today I have the pleasure of meeting with Sarah Harmon from Rubia Flowers. Hi Sarah, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm so excited to be here in your new location. So tell me, what is new and going on at Rubia Flowers?
Well, we're at our new location here at 22nd and Ferry Street in Lafayette. So we've been here about 6 months now from our location. Previously, we were in West Lafayette for 20 years, so made the big move 6 months ago. We're settling in here and really loving our new space. We have kind of the main retail part of the shop, and then we also have a production studio here, and we're just settling in and really loving it here.
So tell me about the production studio, because it's not just production, you can do other things in there, can't you?
Yes, so we previously, at our old location, we had to always have classes immediately following business hours, so it kind of didn't interrupt things, but now we have a separate building, which is our production studio, so we have all of our rental inventory in there, and that's also where we'll be holding classes, either classes that you can find on our website or private classes for folks who have a group that want to come celebrate something. And then that's also where we do all of the production for our weddings and our corporate events, showers, stuff like that.
So it's all grown up.
All grown up, yeah.
And so are the flowers still the same?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Shopping is still the same, market style shopping. So if you want to just come in and select a few stems for yourself, you can. Our designers are all still here, so if you want to have them arrange something for you, a hand-tied bouquet or a vase arrangement to take home or take to somebody, they're here to do that. And so all the same great product you love, but in our new home here.
And it's lovely if you guys haven't visited. So if we wanted to get in contact with you or had questions about classes or arrangements, where do we go?
You want to go to our website, which is rubiaflowermarket.com.
So tell me, you obviously have the new space. What are you doing these classes?
So we'll have seasonal classes available through the end of this year. We also offer private floral design classes if you have a group that wants to get together to celebrate. So our seasonal classes that we offer, every October, November, December are kind of aligned with the holidays in there. So we'll have like a pumpkin themed class in October. And then we do Thanksgiving centerpieces the week of Thanksgiving in November. And in December, we do something with, the evergreens seasonal for the holidays, makes a great hostess gift.
So you teach us how to do that?
Yes, so all materials and supplies are included, and it's a fun, evening. You can go out for dinner afterwards with your friends, and you have something to take home.
Oh, perfect, thank you. Hey everyone, we have a giveaway for one lucky winner, so if you like, tag, and share our post. Sarah?
We'll give away a $50 gift card to Rubia Flower Market. Come see us.
Well, thank you everyone. This is Jaime Williams, Hallmark Home Mortgage. Till next time.